Hello Tech Genius, I am Ravi. Have you ever imagined a place where learning is as dynamic as the technology shaping your world? Then here's a deal. With iMatix, you can make sure the learning is exciting, impactful right from the beginning. You have interactive sessions with expert-led courses. In the world of tech, from data science to cloud computing, it's not just about a session, it's about doing, building, learning by solving real problems. So let's get started. Let's see. Let's see. Otherwise, from here you can take a photo of this one for now. I'll add in the 2PT as well. Later on, you can just take a copy of this one photo of it. You just need to add this client response and everything that I plan to actually provide the cookies, or you need to first get the cookie as well. You're that cookie. I showed you that to go to the browser. Here it is. And then you will get that. It will be the same like the browser you've written on, the same kind of, instead of browser you will do, we are forced to. If not doesn't look like now, we can try. I can try next time. For that we tested them. Now what I'm saying, we can test that both flows. Sometimes a client asks that they won't have the hybrid flow. What is the hybrid flow? Hybrid flow. Basically hybrid flow where you can test the both to flow at one time, right? Where you want to perform the authorization grant implicit flow at once. How would you do that? Here you have already added grant type authorization coder implicit. It is where you have set it down. It can be called as a hybrid. It can be tested with a hybrid flow now because it has both ground to grant type right now, and it has scrolled up, scroll down for that, scroll down. If you see this scroll down, scroll up, let us scroll up again. Scroll up little, scroll down, up, where response type I can see it's going down. If you see it, that's past time. Response type you can see code token ID token, now coded token right. We have these already responded code token. This we should get now if we test with the same URL, and we need to update the response type. And if we give both this response type, we should get the authorization code and access token in a single hit, single web browser. How will we do that? We are already setting this application. Now go to the URL. Then you just need to do one small change. Go to the URL. You see the code right response type, code your nth one. Response type. Can I copy this one? No need to copy. After code right. This /20% /%20% code %20 after response code code. Here before and go on before and add %20. Type A equal to code equal %20%. %20 right one. and then you can write token. Responses for type equal to code %20 equal to token. You can add token to your token, only token word. That's it. That's it. Now test. What does that mean? What does that mean? 20 token. What? Why? Because we are adding both response type together, right? That is called 20. It's like we need to add this code token to add it that you state the both response type. It's like making the URL to make it work with both. Because we are trying to combine code and token. Can I close this one? Can I hit the URL? The code and token is some space, right? We need to remove that. Where can I code and token? The code and token is written like that? No, but in a browser we need to give code %token. To encode it as to encode the spaces. Can I copy this one? Or is there any space required here? No, no space is required. It's getting service, right? Response type is not supported. Not supported. Not. That's why the response type is not supported. Unsupported response type. We have the implicit. Go back to the implicit one, unsupported response type. For which one? For which client you are testing? Gosh, what about the URLs? Did you change that client name? Is client which client? You have to test for implicit which client? Implicit client you are testing. I guess the client name you didn't put right. The client name at the end of URL. This is implicit. My client implicit client. We have to change the name of it. Oh, here change implicit. Implicit. Because in the implicit client we have both laws, right? This is correct. Not supported. Show me the client once. Twenty token. Redirect underscore UI. Client underscore ID equal to implicit client underscore copy code right. Can you go to the call job console? We have which client is it client? We are using the right type and link. Right type. anything wrong with the URL or any in between, any required, any 20, something like that. $20 token, is there right? Is there any required extra? 4 token direct UI. Scroll right. Scroll right implicit client and scope to write the answers. And what error you're getting? Not supported. Not supported error. Supported response type. Service. We need to add any service here. Go to that one. What do you say? Clients to provide. To provide, right? Go to advanced. Go to ID token called scroll down. Scroll down. Scroll down. Scroll down. Scroll down. We will set token to request token. And we have and we go to our client one. Go to client. We have authorization code. My client. Which one is implicit client? Advanced no answer. Yes, we have to write other use for an implicit client. Scroll back. Go to the core. Go to the core tab. Core tab. Goes. Code lifetime 120 seconds. Defaults 1 to how much? Default is 120. That's it. That's fine. The client that we have called, we have spoke, we have redirect, we have. Go back to URL. Yes, it's fine. The settings are good. We go to the URL once. Which one is using? Line number 12. The G is equal to 20 token, all small, right? Code % of content. It's 20, correct. Token. Give the client ID. Client ID is called right. Try again. Spelling is right, right? Listen. Try again. Response type is not supported. I'm supporting this point. Something here only. He responds code hybrid model. This 20 type something here, only something not supported, saying code person go back. It is. This one is time. What percent? Yes, show me the response is tight. Howdy new percent. Oh, token, and that looks fine. Code percent. Daniel, show me the sleep. Showing me. I'm just checking my water code. Can you get to the copy the URL again and copy into some other. Copy the browser, not open a new browser. This is already authenticated. Try over there. Not this one. Just which barrier admin open access on that one. This one try here. This one's to say, I'm supporting this one's time. Thank you. Can you give ID token with the response type code? Yes, they are running the state of token. Give ID-token. ID-sorry __. Show me the client in waiting. Is your employees it client name is right, implicit city right. Can you check your line? Oh, for my bad. The client name or your wedding? Show me the client name. It's a client name. Spelling is not correct. My bads. Change it to the token again. We haven't and still it's wrong, implicit. Spelling is here. IMPLI city, correct right? Like implicit. Play. Save cap. Sim. Seat. Implicit. Only. Use this one code present. I did want to. Let's see what the response. Can I remove? I do not like to test it this way. It's fine. And the previous are same like that, only I am Pila I city. Let's see. Try this one. Here you get that code. Copy this full URL. And I did token both C. I did token I have to discuss. But now can you check with the token as well? Copy this one. Now go back to the URL. Do one thing, go to this. One is you're not able to check. Go to the view. Go to the view on the notepad. Go to view once. Go to the word wrap. Click the word wrap. It will not limit to the, it will what? Code equal to the ID token. This is all is the ID token. Go back to the URL. Go back to the URL. Now this URL notepad make it token instead of %, token %. Now that we wanted to test. Make it token. Now remove the ID and underscore. Code %20. Right here. Here you need to remove the ID. If and only miss, we will test with code and token. Now copy that. Right. The same. There is something this code up % of countries. I guess we need code. I just want to code ID token. The code I even not %ID token is working. But this go back to the your client once. And then type. And now here in a ForgeRock console. click the scroll down and go to Advanced tab. Here we have, do we have the code token? We have code token. For token code ID token, it can issue the 1, but I'm not sure what you can do that. We won't see the code and ID token work in the second line. If you see the code and ID token work right, what I was testing, ID token works in response type. Go to the second line, first word. This, we have tested this work, but somehow the code token is not, we are getting error. Now what is? I'll check that. But it's the hybrid flow works like that. We can have a token code, ID token, both at one base. That's the one they want to tell. You can check that error. This we have tested the 3 type of laws. That authorization code, implicit flow and the hybrid flow. There's some other flaws as well. Client credential device flow. We will test on start to practice on Monday. That's right. You understood right how this goes. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.